Hi everyone, David here with another unboxing. Today I have a USB universal charger. This is to charge your iPhone or any USB device, but it has a little bit of a kick to it. I don't want to call it, I don't know if it's called a kick, but it's also a full HD 1080p 2GB internal memory camera. It's a spy camera. So let's see what it comes with. Okay, so here we have the actual charger, and let's see, looks like it has a film on top of this. Anyway, I removed this so that we guys can see. This is the camera in there. So let me put this back on. And of course you have your plug here. I wonder if this comes up. But anyway, here's instructions. And it has, wow, these are very small letters. It's got an indicator light, a microphone, a USB data interface. So I'm assuming you can plug it in from USB to USB. So you plug this in with the USB to USB, and you can see the content in here. But the good thing about this is it doesn't require batteries or internal batteries or anything. It just sits here, and it's a camera. This is good if you don't, you know how they sell those spy cams for babies and to watch the nanny to make sure that they're not abusing your kid. I mean, this is more discreet, and it's got 32 gigabytes, not 2 gigabytes. So that's a lot of memory, and at 1080p, so should be able to record some good videos. Now it should be recording really good now, because I just took the, and you had to have a film on it. You see right here? Took this off. So it should be hopefully it's recording. I think it is really good.
That's cool.
I gotta give it that. Do you have a good camera?